Yes, it's possible to play Roblox without downloading the app. There are two main ways: the official Roblox web player and cloud gaming services. The Roblox web player allows you to play certain games directly in your browser at roblox.com/play. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and NVIDIA GeForce Now stream Roblox to your device, eliminating installation. These options are great for accessibility on shared or low-spec devices. Keep in mind that the web player might have limited features and performance can vary based on your internet speed. For the best experience and full features like voice chat, the app is still recommended, but for quick access without downloads, the web player and cloud gaming are viable solutions. To use the Roblox web player, visit roblox.com/play in a compatible browser like Chrome or Edge. Log in with your account and select a game to play. Make sure JavaScript is enabled in your browser settings for the site to work properly. For cloud gaming, you'll need a subscription to services like Xbox Cloud Gaming through Xbox Game Pass Ultimate or NVIDIA GeForce Now. Download their app or use the browser interface, then link your Roblox account to start playing. A stable internet connection of at least 10 megabps is recommended to minimize lag. You might need a controller or use touch controls on mobile devices. Always use official websites and apps to avoid security risks. Be aware that both web player and cloud gaming may consume more data than the downloaded app, particularly cloud gaming, which can use 100 to 300 megabytes per hour.